So if you're looking for a better way to travel with your pets, as well as help keep your seats clean in your car, then let me show you this car booster seat that is designed for dogs. Hi, my name's Marlena, and I'm here with my two dogs. I have Hippie and Pepper. So they do not like riding in vehicles. They both get very anxious where they want to be on my lap or not in the car at all. And on top of that, Pepper here, she gets car sick. Over the years, I've invested in car seat covers, and those work out well, but they just weren't doing good in securing them while traveling. And so that's why I invested in this little car booster seat here. So this thing is very nice because at the bottom of it is this really soft egg crate foam that is about 6 inches deep. And this is what helps to give your pets a little bit of a lift while you're traveling. On top of that, you have this really nice border here that surrounds the seat, so it helps to keep your pets nice and contained. You also have these two straps here that are adjustable that you can attach to your dog's collar or harness. And so with the car seat, it has helped out so much already. I've only had it for a couple of weeks. But Pepper here, she's been having to go to frequent appointments lately. And what I noticed that the last time I brought her to her appointment and placed her into this little booster seat, she looked like she actually enjoyed the car ride for the first time that I've ever traveled with her. And she did not have to be in my lap either. She was just in this little booster seat. So with this booster seat, I noticed when she would sit in it and she would lift her head up and sit up nice and tall, she could look over the dashboard. And that's for her being as small as she is. On top of that, it made it a lot easier for her to look out my side window because they have this really nice arm here on the side of the booster seat that she was able to rest her arms up to look outside the window. And the whole time she just looked very content. If she wasn't looking out the window, she was laying down and sleeping very comfortably on the foam mattress. So, and what's nice too is that this car booster seat can support 25 pounds to 30 pounds. And between the two of them, so Hippie here, he's about 15 pounds and Pepper is a little under, around 9 pounds. So between the two of them, they fit perfectly in this booster seat together. They have a lot of space. And as well as they're just very comfortable. And because it comes with the two straps for two dogs, it works out perfectly for them. And then what's else is really nice about this booster seat is just the material it's made out of. The liner is super soft and just feels very velvety. They have so many color options for you to choose from, as well as on the design as well. There are two big slip pockets here on the side that you can really fit anything that you might need to transport with your pets, whether that be collars, leashes, maybe some treats, or even some toys. I really like having that little space. And there's one on each side, so you can store quite a bit for your pets. And you could just see my two dogs, they love it. They're very comfortable in this booster seat. So many reasons why I recommend a car booster seat for dogs. Including just keeping them off of your lap while you're driving, so it keeps you safe while driving. On top of that, if you have a dog that is anxious or gets car sick while traveling, this has worked out so well for my dogs in helping to reduce that anxiety and that car sickness because they can look outside and see the horizon and the environment around them. It greatly helps to reduce that motion sickness that they get whenever they're traveling. So yes, if you're looking for a car booster seat for your dog, I highly recommend this one. I hope you found this video helpful and thank you so much for watching.